Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Capital One Credit Monitoring, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin logging into Capital One Credit Monitoring, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Capital One official website URL, which is www.capitalone.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear with options for personal accounts, business accounts, and credit cards. Select the personal option if that's your account type. You will now be directed to the Sign In page. Enter your username in the first input field. Next, input your password in the second field. Make sure both your username and password are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box that says Keep me signed in. After confirming your information, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you've forgotten your username or password, click on the respective link for recovery assistance. Follow the prompts provided to reset your credentials. Once logged in, locate the credit monitoring section on your dashboard. You can now view your credit score, alerts, and monitoring information. Make sure to log out after you finish to secure your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.